Skil continues their quest to take over your back and front yard with a new cordless string trimmer.
And today we're going to take a closer look at it, zero in on its biggest features, and then give you a chance to win one of your own.
This is the Skil PWRCORE 40-volt 14-inch string trimmer showcase. Welcome back, Power Tool fans. I'm Rob.
And I'm Sarah, and this is the Skil PWRCORE 40-volt 14-inch string trimmer. And considering I've been using this one in my own yard for the last couple of months, I can tell you firsthand how well it works.
But before we get too deep into this new tool or tell you how to win one, do us a big favor and punch that like button.
And if you love power tools, don't forget to subscribe.
Cordless outdoor power equipment isn't new, but examples that have the power to truly replace gas, well, that's always felt like the unreachable goal.
Skil's new 40-volt brushless outdoor power tools are making their strongest case yet to finally toss the can to the curb.
As she previously mentioned, Sarah has been using this example for the last few months. So, Sarah, what can you tell us about it?
All right, so let's start with the stats. This trimmer does indeed have a lot of power. It's driven by a digital brushless motor powered by the PWRCORE 40-volt lithium battery technology, which wraps each individual cell with cooling material, which Skil claims will run 25% longer and double your battery life. The line management is great. It features what they call a twist load head, which allows you to simply insert your line and twist. And of course, while you're using it, you can feed the line simply by tapping the head on a flat surface. The trimmer also comes with one of their auto power jump chargers that can charge its 2.5 amp hour battery from 0 to 30% in just 15 minutes. Much appreciated.
All right, so you like it?
I do, and at only 7 pounds, I don't have a problem holding it at all. And while cutting through brush and trimming sidewalks, I never once felt like I needed more power than I had.
I'm glad you dig it.
I really do, and I'm willing to bet you guys will too. And fortunately for you, this is a showcase.
That's right. To enter to win your very own Skil string trimmer, simply leave a comment below telling us why you want to make the switch from gas to electric.
Thanks so much for joining us this week, guys. And don't forget to tune in this and every Friday at 5 p.m. for the Power Tool Week in Review.
We'll see you then.